Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then simply scroll down to find security. Here we have to tap on more settings, and as you can see on the third position, we've got encryption and credentials. If you will have your SIM card, then it will be on the fourth, obviously. So let's tap on encryption and credentials and tap on delete all credentials. As you can see, we've got this option here. So confirm it, and basically this is it. This is how to remove the certificates in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.